Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of error on the application of X Twitter. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your